Hi, Gaurab here. How are you doing? And today I'm going to show you how you can build a affiliate marketing business. If you're a beginner, if you're a newbie, it doesn't matter what you know. If you follow these steps, you are going to make a lot of money and you are going to make a long-term sustainable and unshakable online business, as I always tell you. So we using these strategies, you can promote Zvizu, Warrior Plus, ClickBank, MaxBounty, Payfly, any kind of offer you want. It doesn't matter what you promote. If you're following this, you will become a true affiliate marketer. And I'm going to share you some super secrets, and some great strategies that I use in the last 7-8 months. I built an email list of over 40,000 people, while I also built a Facebook group of around 7.8 thousand people. And now I'm concentrating on YouTube because video is what I think is future. And I really believe that YouTube is going to overtake Google in the coming years. So this is the main game plan. It's a five-step system that I have personally used, and I have taught this to few students last months, and they have got some great results as well. And I'm going to tell you about those guys as well. So the main uh, step number one is I buy the product. Buy the product that you want to promote. And if you don't buy the product, I think it's not ethical, and you don't really know anything about the product. So when you promote it, it will be seen by the people that you are not genuine, and you won't really be able to promote it with the full heart. So only promote something that you really believe in, and that you something you think that will help your subscribers, that will help the people you are going to promote it to. So make sure first you bought the product, buy the product and use it yourself and get results, and it's going to help you a lot when you are going to promote it. So the step number two is create a free lead magnet. You need to provide something for free if you want to get people email lists, or if you want to get people attention. So maybe create a free PDF, where you teach them something that you know related to the offer you are promoting. For example, if you are promoting an offer related to YouTube marketing, you can create a free video on like how to find tags, or how to write killer descriptions, how to do SEO for your YouTube. Or if you are doing email marketing, you can tell them the email marketing template to promote offers. So just make sure anything that you already know about the system, you can create a free lead magnet for it. It's really important, because when you give something to the people for free, and once they consume your content, they are going to build a good relationship with you. They are going to trust you, and they are going to see you as someone who has really helped them. Okay. And so what you need to do in step number two is create a lead magnet, create an email opt-in page, create a thank you page. And whenever someone's opt-in, not only you give them the lead magnet that you offered, but also send them to your Facebook group and send them to your YouTube channel, which is really important now in 2019. Okay. And step number three is make sure you have 8 to 10 email follow-ups, and these email follow-ups will usually include, the first email would be like introduce yourself. You'll be introducing yourself, like who are you, why you are doing what you are doing. You can tell them about your story, and you can also tell them that if in case they have any questions or any issues, please let you know. And this is the email, this is also the email where you will be pre-selling your offer. Okay. In the step number two, once people opt in and once they go to thank you page, and on that page you will also be sending them to the affiliate offer that you are promoting. And to make sure that the lead magnet and the offer both are highly complement. No. So once I complete all the steps, I'm going to show you a case study of how I did it and how you can copy that system. Okay, so the step number four is traffic. A lot of people, a lot of newbies, they get stuck at this step. But let me tell you, traffic is really easy. Traffic is difficult if you see the traffic as just some numbers, but if you see them as real people, it's really easy to get traffic, and it's really easy to convert uh, convert. It's really easy to help those people and convert to sales. So first thing is utilize the channels that you already have. If you have some followers, if you have some friends on Facebook, if you have a Twitter following, of you have a small email list, utilize that. Utilize that to get the few initial results, and once you have that, you can use them to get more results using those. And in case you don't have any results, and if your affiliate network allows, uh, use other people results, uh, use other people results, what kind of results they are getting, use those results. In case you're not sure, just ask the vendor if you can use the results, their results, or the people who have bought the product, their results, to show to people and get some initial results for yourself. But once you have got some initial results for yourself, the only thing you need to do is tell people how you got those results, and keep sharing your stories, and keep sharing your results with your tribe, with your email list, with your Facebook group, or with your YouTube channel, and that's going to get you a lot of sales. And in case you are still stuck on traffic, you'll if you Google, you'll find few Bing coupons, advert coupons, maybe Facebook coupons. You'll find coupons for at least few ad networks, and you can get started there. Okay, or you can just utilize the free channels. Facebook is a great channel to find like-minded people, share stuff there, and get traffic for your offers. And step number 5, as I told you, even if you make $10, share it out with your group, share it with your tribe that you made your first dollar today, and this is what you did, and this is how you can help them. And if they want to, if they want to see your journey, if they want to walk with you, and to send them to the lead magnet, send them to the opt-in page, so they also get into your list, and you can start connecting with them, so you can make sales. So this is literally what you can do. This is 5 steps. It's really simple. Some of the people that have tried this approach in the past months is Yogesh Chaudhary, my wife Rishika, and Abhijit Nair. They did the same thing. They created a free ebook, lead magnet. They created an opt-in page. They sent people to the offer. They built their email list. They created a Facebook group, and they kept sharing what the kind of results they were getting, and they made very, very cool commissions. And now they are using the same strategies to promote other offers. Okay, so this is basically for beginners. But if you are an advanced marketer, once you build this email list, and if you are doing all these things, all the subscribers, they will become your fan, and now you can promote them other related offers that can really help them. For example, if you are promoting them uh, promoting some offer related to affiliate marketing, okay, so there might be a tool that can really help them increase the conversion. So you can recommend the same product to your tribe, and I'm pretty sure that a lot of people will buy if you are following these 5 steps that I just shown you. So all you need to do is keep repairing the system, keep doing, keep sharing your results, keep sharing your opt-in page, keep building your list, and you'll start getting bigger results, bigger following, bigger commissions. So let me show you one few of the offers that I promoted few last month that made me these kind of commissions. So this was a new autoresponder that I bought, I think, few months back when I was starting out with these methods. So I was promoting a offer called Joomla. So it was a CP offer, and as well as they used to give me commission whenever someone upgraded. So I got around 3,289 people. I actually got around 5,000 people, but I deleted the inactive subscribers. So what I was basically doing was I was providing them I was getting, I had created a report on how to make $100 per day, and I was providing it for free. And inside that, I had a plan how they can make $100 with per day with Joomla, and I was making $100, $200 with Joomla every day. And I was scaling it up really well, but it was closed after a few months. But by the time it has closed, I think I had made around $10,000 with them. So these were few of my payments. You can see 686, 396, 262. This was a time when I was really started to scale it up. 2500, 2600, 919, and again they made few changes. But the great thing was I had built an email list, and my email list grew to 37,829 people. I had around over 40,000 people. I have deleted the unsubscribers and the inactive people. And not only that, I also promoted another offer on my thank you page, which was earn easy commissions. I also promoted 4%. You can see I was getting all the new subscribers to these channels as well. I make pretty good commissions with earn easy commissions also. Okay, I had made tons of commissions with earn easy commissions as well. But 4%. Okay, the other offer promoter was 4%, but they had changed the payment system. They earlier used to pay commissions on clickbank. Okay, I think I made around 10,000 there, and plus they teach me something called multiple streams of income. So when I was promoting 4%, I was also getting sales for ClickFunnels, from ClickMagick, from GetResponse, and together I think I made around $25,000 using 4%. Okay, and I really believe that it's one of the best course out there so far in the affiliate marketing space. So in case you want to check it out, I will leave a link in the description. Okay, and earn easy commissions, they have just started once again, and they pay around $1 per free sign up. So I'm going to leave a link to that as well in case you want to check it out. Okay, so I have already made money with these systems, so I'm really confident that you can also make money with them. So let me show you my landing pages, maybe my email follow-ups, and the kind of posts and videos I was making. So let me show you the landing page I was using. I was using Google AdWords. So I was using Google AdWords for this to start getting traffic to my funnel. So this was my landing page, and this was the same landing page which was provided to me from the company. So I didn't use a lot of my brain. I thought this was pretty decent, and it was easily approved by Google AdWords. So I just used the same landing page, and instead of sending the people directly to the offer, to the affiliate link, I created a thank you page in between. Okay, so where I'm I was introducing myself, and I was giving them I had actually changed the headline to how to earn $100 per day, where I was giving them a free report. So here I was introducing myself, why I'm doing this, and then again I was telling them that there are two systems that I'm using right now, and they can use it. So I was promoting Joomla, and I was promoting earn easy commissions, and then I was promoting 4% through emails after a few follow-ups. But now these are different offers because I'm testing some new different offers. Okay, so they have made a few sales, but this case study is about the products that I had promoted. Maybe I will tell you about this in some future videos. Okay, and so here I was doing the same thing. Then I was getting them to my Facebook group, and then I had email follow-up series to everyone. I was telling them about Joomla was my first offer. Then I was telling them, I was telling them a story, who I am, how I got successful, and I was asking them if they went through the Joomla training, if I can help them. Are you confused? And if you're confused, here is a video I created, my payment proofs. Then I was sharing them a story, how they should have made this first commissions. So everything I was trying to solve with Joomla. And not just that, I had added around, oh my god, I had around 19 email follow-ups. I was getting a great response. I was also sharing a lot of stuff on my Facebook group about Joomla. Then I created a video. Okay, this is Yogesh, who had used the same method, build an email list, and he started promoting clickbank offers, and he made a lot of sales. So again, Joomla. So I had created a number of videos about Joomla. Okay, I was posting them on Facebook. I was posting them on my YouTube channel. About this is about Joomla, this is about Joomla. There was training how I was making commissions with Joomla, how to operate with Joomla. I was literally hand-holding them and telling them how they can make money with Joomla. I was sharing the strategies. I was actually sharing what I was doing. I was sharing what kind of results I'm getting. I was showing them my payment proofs, and people, they were really connecting with it. And it helped me build a good email list and also build me, some great followers. And not just that, like I was also promoting uneasy commissions. I didn't created a lot of videos for that. I think I had created a landing page. So this was for uneasy commissions. Okay, again, this was the same strategy, but there were different steps because I was trying to upgrade them to the VIP, to the pro level, which was giving me $100 commissions. So I made few sales using this simple funnel. Then again, I had email follow-up series for uneasy commissions as well. Here, I think I got around 100 follow-up emails from the company directly. But since I think I made few commissions, but I don't think I made a lot of sales from this because I was using company email follow-ups, and I didn't have a lot of videos, but still I made good number of commissions. And that's it. It's really simple. It's all about being real, being authentic, sharing what you are doing with people, sharing the kind of results you are getting, helping them achieve the results that you are getting. And when people see you, that you are genuine, you are real, they are going to believe in you, because this marketplace, online marketing it's becoming crap actually. There are a lot of fake people who tell you that they are making a lot of money, but they won't see you, they won't help you, they won't teach you anything. Okay, so if you stand out from all those people, if you be real, if you help out people, then you're going to build a long-term business, reliable business, unshakable business, a business which stands on you. Okay, so I hope that you really love this video and you learned a lot of new things. And so in the description, I'm going to leave the links for 4% on easy commissions if you want to check them out. And very soon I think I'm thinking of building a more advanced course on the same core strategies. I think like one video might not be enough, so I will be working on a advanced course on all this stuff, going through, going in detail, and I will keep you updated about that as well. So thank you so much. If you're watching on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel, and if you're watching on Facebook, or if you are on my email list, please reply me and comment and tell me how did you like the video. So thank you so much, and I'll see you again.